Question 7 is just again removing brackets. 3x by 2x, 6x squared, 3x by 1 this time, plus 3x, minus 7 by 2x is minus 14x, and minus 7 by plus 1 is minus 7. Combining the two middle terms, we're going to get 6x squared minus 11x minus 7. For the second one, 2a by 5a, 10a squared, 2a by minus 3 is minus 6a, minus 4 by 5a is minus 28, and minus 4 by minus 3 is plus 12. So this will give 10a squared minus 26a plus 12. When we have something to be squared, we multiply it by itself, so I'd recommend writing the bracket twice. This is the one that tricked most of you on the first year test last summer. 9y squared, 3y by 3y, 3y by 2, and we're going to have that twice. And then 2 by 2 is 4. And combining these, we're going to get 9y squared plus 12y plus 4. For this one here, we have 2a by all of these three things. Draw your arrows if they help. So 6a cubed, 2a by 3a. 2a by minus 2a is minus 4a squared. And 2a by minus 7 is minus 14a. Then we have 1. If we have 1 by a bracket, 1 isn't going to change the value, so we're just going to have 3a squared minus 2a minus 7. Nice and easy. Combining the middle terms, we're going to get 6a cubed. We're going to get minus 1a squared, or just minus a squared, minus 16a minus 7. Similarly here, we have a 1 by the bracket, so it's just going to be the bracket itself, 4x squared plus 5x minus 3. And then we have minus 2x by the whole bracket, so minus 2x by 4x squared is minus 8x cubed. Then we have minus 2x by plus 5x minus 10x, and minus 2x by minus 3 is plus 6x squared. That should be, I'll just move it across to 10x squared minus 10x squared, and then minus 2x by minus 3 is plus 6x. So if we want to start with the cube, I'll bring that one down first, minus 8x cubed. The squareds, we're going to have minus 6x squared. The x's, we're going to have plus 11x, and we're going to have a minus 3. So let's check these answers for number 7. So go back to your first one, 6x squared minus 11x minus 7 is correct. 10a squared minus 26a plus 12 is correct. 9y squared plus 12y plus 4, we can see here, is correct. Then we have 6a cubed minus a squared minus 16a minus 7. 6a cubed minus a squared minus 16a minus 7 is correct. And then the last one, minus 8x cubed, they put the cube first, minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 3. You've checked all the answers. Move on to the next question. So a question like this normally confuses people because it looks different, but we're just dealing with area here, and we have an x all the way across the top of this box. We have a 3 here and a 2 here, so the area of C is 3 by 2. We have length of 2, width of 3, so the area is going to be 6. And if the whole length here is x and this one is 3, well, the one along this side has to be x minus the 3. Similarly on top, it's going to be x minus 2. So that will be A from here to here is x minus 2, and from here to here will be x minus 3. So we have our area here. B, well, what do we got for B? We have this length here is x minus 3 from the other side, and the top it is 2 from the bottom. So B is x minus 3 by 2, x minus 3 by 2, or we could write 2 by 3 in here if you wanted to not write the answer, but we're going to have to do it in a minute. And then D, we have an x minus 2 here, and we have a 3 going up. So x minus 2, 3 by x x minus 2. And add all the rectangles together and expand the brackets and simplify. And use your results from part A and B to explain why this guy is equal to this guy. So if we have add all the rectangles together, add together the areas of B, C, and D. B, C, and D. Okay, so we have 2 by x minus 3. 2x minus 6 is B. C is 6. And D is 3 by x minus 2, which is 3x minus 6. And if we cascade these, we're going to get 3x minus 6. 6, they cancel straight away. We're going to get 2x minus 6. So totaling these, we're going to get 5x with the 3 and the 2. 5x minus 6. On part C, we're to use the previous two results. So what is the area of the whole shape? X by x is equal to x squared. So if we take away B, C, and D added together, minus 5x minus 6 inside, that's the area of the other three, we'll end up getting x squared minus 5x plus 6, and that will be the area of A. So a bit easier than it seems. It's all the knowledge you have already, just broken down into a worded question. Question 9 then, you see this, you go, oh my god, where's all the numbers? But what are we dealing with? We're dealing with a 2-crane carriage that has F first class seats and 2S standard seats. So F and 2S are the information we're given. A 3-train carriage has 2F first class seats, 2F, and 3S standard seats. On a weekday, 6 2-carriage trains and 4 3-carriage trains, so there's 6 of these. And there are 4 of these. So they want you to multiply them here. So we have 6 trains, they all have an F. We have 6F plus 12S carriages on this one. And we have 8F plus 12S carriages on this one. That's the total number of first class and standard class available. On an average day, in any day, half of the first class seats are used at a cost of 60 per seat. So the first class seats are F. So how many have we got in terms of F? We have 6F and 8F. So 6F and 8F. There's 14F first class seats. And half of them are used at 60 per seat. So that will be 7F is equal to half. So 7 times, which are they each? 60 is 420 euros for my first class seats. On an average day, 3/4 of the standard. So what have we got standard? We have 12 and 12, 24. So 24 by 3 over 4 is 18 of these are used. And what's the cost of these? 40 per seat. 4 18s are 72, so 720 euros for your standard seat. And that's how much money the rail company earn in an average day. And if F is 16 and S is 90 and it costs the rail company 25,000 a day to operate this route, how much profit does the company make? So we said there was going to be 7F used. 7F will be 7 by 16, 70 and 42 is 112 of these seats, and they cost 60 a seat. And for the standard, S is 90, and we're saying 18S is used. 18S, 18 by 90, 90 and 72 is 162, and they are 40 each. Get your calculator out and find out what these two answers are. This is going to be 6,720. I'm just saying I probably should have left the F and the S in the previous part. This is S because we don't know how many there are, and F. And then 4 162s is 64,800. I'll just double check that. If we add 6720 on, I'm going to get 71,520. And it costs only 25,000, so they are making a profit of 46,000. We take the numbers away, 46,520. So a tricky worded question for the last part of Algebra 1.